So today we'll meditate and we'll see how, if there is any negative thought, feeling, or emotion that has disturbed you yesterday, and how you can let go of that with Vipassana meditation. So just relax, close your eyes, just start to notice your normal, natural breathing. And as you breathe in and out, just be aware of the length of the incoming breath, the length of the outgoing breath. And just continue to relax. 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 Be aware of the sensations in your body, in your forehead, around your shoulders, arms, chest, back, stomach, thighs. The sensations could be because of blood circulation, digestion, assimilation, or it could be because of some thoughts, feelings, emotions. All emotions cause sensations. Fear causes sensations in the mind because the endocrine system releases chemicals. You can feel those chemicals. Anger creates sensations. Hatred creates sensations. Even positive emotions create sensations. Your posture and the touch of any object to your skin also creates sensation. Heat is a sensation. Cold is a sensation. Just be aware of all the sensations and review your day. How was your day yesterday? What were the major emotions you went through? How was the morning? Did you get angry on anyone? Did you feel frustration, stress, tension, pressure, worry during the day, in the afternoon, in the evening? What was the predominant emotion or feeling? As you recall this, you might notice similar things in your body, similar feelings, sensations. If there was a disturbing conversation with someone, just remember that. If you are upset, angry, irritated on someone, just remember that. And notice how that feels in the body. And notice your breathing right now. It may have been disturbed. Now bring your attention to your breathing and the sensations. And just keep noticing the normal, natural breathing till the breathing becomes slow and steady, slow and short. With every incoming breath, notice the length of the incoming breath, the length of the outgoing breath. And slowly, as you bring your mind away from what happened yesterday to your breathing starts to settle down. The breathing becomes even. With every breath, the breathing becomes slow and short. And as the breathing becomes slower and slower, you enter into thoughtless awareness. Just notice how your lungs are expanding and contracting with every breath in and out. Notice how your stomach expands and contracts with every breath in and out. Notice that the breathing is becoming slower and slower, shorter and shorter. If there is any tension or pressure in your muscles, just relax those muscles. Relax your eyelids. Just relax your entire body. And just be aware of the normal, natural breathing. And as you are aware of your incoming and outgoing breath, you are in this present moment. You are not in the future. You are not in the past. Whatever happened yesterday, if it comes to mind, notice how it changes your breathing and sensations in the body. And by doing that, your mind again comes in the present moment. In this moment, only one thing is happening. You are breathing. You are not thinking about anything. You are not doing any activity. Your eyes are closed. There is no effort. You are doing nothing. And even a thought comes about the future, notice the images, notice how you feel inside, and again bring your thought in your mind on your breathing. Bring your attention on your breathing and notice the changes in the breathing. And if by observing your breath, the incoming and outgoing breath, you have entered into thoughtless awareness, then be in that awareness as long as you can. Just be in the present, here and now, and just accept the truth of the moment. Accept whatever is happening right now in this moment. Just be aware of your thoughts, feelings, sensations, and emotions. And especially be aware of your breathing, because breathing is a thermometer. With breathing, you can know if there are negative thoughts in your mind or not. If there are negative feelings, emotions, your breathing will become disturbed. When there are no negative thoughts, feelings, and emotions, your breathing becomes slow and steady. And the best way to make the mind peaceful is just by observing your breath moment by moment. Breathing becomes slower and slower, shorter and shorter, and you enter thoughtless awareness. Just notice your incoming and outgoing breath. Many of you might have reached thoughtless awareness. So just become aware that you are a witness. Beyond the mind and body, You are witnessing the mind, you are witnessing the body, and you are a witness. You are an energy beyond this mind and body. You get a glimpse of that, a feel of that. When the mind is still like the water in a lake, then you can see yourself in the mirror of your mind. You can see your true self, or you can get a glimpse of your true self, your infinite nature. Once you get a glimpse of yourself, just be with that. After some time of just being in thoughtless awareness, experiencing your true self, you will even experience something deeper, where even the concept of self will disappear. It might happen today, it might happen next time you meditate, it can happen anytime. At this deep level of the mind, remember that anything that you imagine, whatever you can see and feel, is not you. If you can see your mind, then that mind is not you. If you can feel some sensation, then that's not you. We have a concept of self also, a sensation which we identify as self. That is not the true self. The ego is also a sense of self. It is a created feeling. It's a label given to that a particular group of feelings. You are not that. If you can feel it, you are not that. You are beyond the mind and body. Inside, in this deep level of the mind, you might also notice that there is a part of you which judges everything. This is right, wrong, good, bad, and which is constantly analyzing things. Even that is not you. By now, your breathing may have become very slow and short. Just be awareness with the awareness of breathing. As the breathing becomes slower and slower, shorter and shorter, go to very deep levels of the mind. At these deep levels, the breathing becomes so slow and so short that you might sometimes even wonder if the breathing is on or not. Just be in that thoughtless awareness state. And just keep noticing the incoming and outgoing breath, even though it might have been very slow and short. And also notice the sensations, feelings, or thoughts, which are very subtle. Mind also becomes very subtle. Just notice any movement, and even notice if your attention is moving, and also make it still. Be aware of your movement of the eyes while eyes are closed. Still that. Body is still, mind is still, attention is still. Breathing is slow and steady. And you are being a witness. And you are aware. And you are witnessing. And you are aware that you are aware. And you are witnessing that you are witnessing. Just be there. Be in the thoughtless awareness as long as you can. Just keep relaxing, keep observing, witnessing, and just meditate like the flame of a candle where there is no wind. Just meditate single pointedly on everything that you can experience right now. And whatever you can experience, you are not that. You are beyond that. Be in this inquiry, be in this awareness, be in this witnessing state as long as you can.